everywhere a tiny one. Yeah. But you see, I don't want it to become a routine. The moment if it's a become routine, it's not playing, it's not fresh anymore. Go womb. And you can put womb. And then you start feeling each other momentums, making choices. But the moment it becomes routine, it becomes dead. So it has to be the elements of playfulness, experimenting, doing a little bit more, sometimes less. Yeah, try.
Oh my God.
So it's a play, it's experiment. There is nothing wrong or right or wrong. Yeah, but you definitely wanna. You have choice: either follow his energy or delay his energy. Just don't do early. Early is no good.
Of course.
Early is no good because you hear early. It's no good. Early is no good. Follow in harmony, slightly delay, super delay, a little bit delay, no delay, tons of delay. And when you do that, that's where the action's coming. Yeah? Just play with it. Let's see where we are. Yeah. Much better. Much better. The fact that he leads you, that was a good delay, you didn't feel. The fact that he leads you, it doesn't mean you have to go right away. You can go almost right away, slightly right away, a little bit later, lot later.
Yeah, me have the
Sometimes you want to surprise him with something, like.
Sometimes I have the problem also. When I feel good delay, I will do it, but I'm late.
Don't worry. It's both people. So now get here. Give me that rendezvous. Ta ta ta, and then you decide here doing delay. Nobody force you, and then you're playing here. Maybe a couple normal ones. Yeah, cheeky, cheeky, and I'll do a crazy one. It'll really get me very deep. Whoa. So it's become like a beautiful choreography. No choreography will make you as beautiful as they just did because it's fresh, and it's always fresh. You see, I didn't think design. I think. Okay, a little bit later here. Okay, let me decide to do my own delay here. Okay, let me just normal one. Okay, now I want him to go crazy. And I can tell him, or you can do yourself. You can throw yourself to that delay forward. And it's become a very cool routine. It's fun to dance. It's not fake. It's very real. It will always feel different because it's real. But the moment you become choreography, no good. Like never think in terms of choreography. Always think in terms of secret. So you're working on connection, slightly delaying, slightly this. How you respond to him.
Oh my God, they help me a lot.
Try.
I was late sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, because
So men lead should be slightly early. Ladies response should be slightly late. That's kind of like a good for, you will not go wrong with that. So if he leads you early, don't panic. Let's say, like you say, I lead you to go, you don't have to go. Go when you want. No, okay, but make it more difficult. Okay, now you lead me, make me go there. Yeah, make me go, and now I go when I want. Or I can go almost right away, like, let me go, make me go. Yeah, womb, I can go right away. But it's not like, if somebody do this to you, doesn't mean you have to go. Okay. It means just something started. And some like girls, if they feel something, they give you back so much that you're like this, whoa, then you. It's become interesting. But most of students, they're like this. They don't give anything. They just, okay, he go, I go. Oh, he's going. Okay. Oh, move faster. Oh, okay, faster. So that's a little bit not recommended this time. Yeah, so try. It's again, your response, his, and then become interesting dialogue. It's most important to have fun. Yes, here. Womb. That was good. Yes. Yeah, one more time. That was good. Again. Yeah, same thing. That was very good because I like that.
Love it.
It was very real, and plus because you dance very soft already, so you don't have really. I mean, I don't care power and speed. That's the least I want, but it's very good conversation. It's fun. Yeah. Or he moves this, and then there's nobody right, nobody wrong. Is everybody right or everybody wrong here? because it's just only how good you to respond. And then let's say when you see I dance, like sometimes you will see I dance and I do this, boom. Because I'm kind of want you to delay. Yeah. So if you like not delaying, I'm like already will hold her here. And it's become a style too. Yeah. Or sometimes I feel she's not delaying here, she doesn't want to delay, right? So I'm like, boom. Yeah, so I will make her womb. I didn't have time here. Womb. Understand? But then, of course, at the beginning, I will explain her. This is deal, and I'm just touching you here. Yeah, I want you. Yeah, I'm blocking you on purpose, so you like start falling back and point and this. Yeah, so it's interesting. So do this choreography to me. Just stay next to him like this. Take his hand. Womb. Do that ronde. Feel that he pulls you. And you can decide where you want to go. As you get here, you're going to be here. Decide by yourself, delaying your walk, and use him as a pole. Here go couple normal ones with slight delay. And then here go, when you're on this side, go for big delay where you almost, he knocks you off almost. Then you, like a whipping effect. Yeah, so try.